Hey whores, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a quick little video. We are actually going to be doing a Christmas set. I'm trying to get these videos out as fast as I can because I want to do 12 days of Christmas before Christmas get here, and baby, I'm already slacking. So anyways, this is the inspo pic. If you can see it on the side right there. And before y'all say anything, excuse her little nub. So this finger right here has been having so many issues. If you watched the previous videos that I've had with her before this set, you can tell that that finger has a lot of problems. Like, it's always broken. It's like that's the finger that she breaks every single time, and it's probably just because it hasn't healed properly. So from now on, we're not putting anything on there. Even the little nub broke off. Yeah, I don't know what she's doing. Well, she works at Walmart. She is a supervisor, but she does do some stocking, so that's probably why she never has a freaking nail. But anyways, we are just going to go ahead and get into the nail art. I did go ahead and give her a feel and everything beforehand. And this nail, the little nub, the ring finger, it was broke, so and it hurted her. So instead of doing a lot of filing, she just wanted to keep it as that shape rather than making a stiletto. So that's why it's another shape, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do this this PINKMAS design. That's what I'm gonna call it. So yeah, enjoy. I'll be back. Also guys, I am going to go ahead and apologize for some of these angles. Right now I'm doing a Frenchie, but you can't really see it because she is one of my clients that like to bring her finger like in my face, like put her hand all the way as far as she can get it in front of my face. So yeah, I do apologize, but it's just a Frenchie, and you guys will see me do another one on the thumb as well. And I'm gonna try to push her back to get out of the camera. So yeah, just bear with me. I do apologize for the inconvenience. And at this point, I'm just gonna have to move my camera so that it's sitting like, I don't know, honey. It's gonna have to be like in my lap, and I'll just crop it out because I don't know why my clients do this. I really don't. It's a lot of them. I just feel like, why do y'all want y'all fingers in my face? Like, I can see it if you push it back. That's probably my back be hurt because we don't be sitting right. But anyways, either here or there.
Serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it work.
Alright, so y'all, this is what I'm talking about right here. Now watch this. You see how she pushed it up to me so far? Yeah, I literally had to move the camera so that I just had to move the camera out the way, y'all, because I'm like, why do you be giving me your finger? Like, you see how close it was to me? She literally be putting her hand in my lap, and I don't know why. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna have to do that, move my camera, and then I'll just crop it like I'm finna do, because yeah, this is ridiculous.
I find for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch, I do it all. I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch can't do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know. In the top trap ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. The stage is argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you, day one. We had you, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be born when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Alright, y'all, so we are working on a snowflake. This is how I do mine. I'm trying to get into doing different kinds of snowflakes, but for the most part, this is the only kind I do, because, yeah, I haven't mastered the other one, so. But I'll probably try a different kind on my own nails when I do some content probably today, so. Yeah, but anywho, let me tell y'all something. When your nail tech is doing your nail art, stay still. Do not move. Matter of fact, don't breathe. Because 9 times out of 10, we're not breathing because we're trying to make sure that it's perfect. Now, in a minute, you're finna see me struggle to do this little inside piece. Like on some of them, okay, cool, boom, bam. But you finna see her fingers gonna be moving. And this is sped up, but as you can see, her hand is moving. And I'm trying to put my hand, you know how we steady ourselves by putting our pinky, or some people put their ring finger from the hand that they're drawing with on their other hand, their non-dominant hand, if that makes sense, to steady it so that we are not shaking. So if you're moving, it's making our hand that's the stabilizer move. Okay, actually, y'all, this is a snowflake that I was trying out that I saw on a picture, and I was like, let's see what this one gonna give. So yeah, this is actually not the snowflake I usually do, but yeah, it still came out cute, so we just ran with it. But I realized that I need to make the ends a little bit longer for this specific snowflake. But yeah, with snowflakes, to me, honestly, it's no trial and error. I mean, it's only trial and error. It's no right or wrong way, because every time I see somebody do a snowflake, they do it different. It'd be the same snowflake, but they all have a different process of doing it, if that makes sense. So yeah, honestly, as long as it looks good to you and your client, that's all that matters. So yeah, I feel like I was struggling a little bit on that. I started because I thought I was struggling a little bit on that, but yeah, we made it work. So
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on without you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I can keep on running back to you. I trusted you. I trusted you. So sad. What love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get the strength to leave you, always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more. You had me, you made me not deserve it. Oh, I gave you all my heart, and all you did was tear it up. Looking at my window, knowing that I should.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break, I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know, trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry, you won't ever have to hide, and you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do. You do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our nights though, don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain until you
time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, it ain't what we doing.
Alright y'all, so now we are doing our candy cane stripes, and after we do those with the pink, we are going to put the same glitter on top of it, so it'll be pink effect, because this glitter is like iridescent. It pretty much pick up whatever color you put underneath this. So yeah, anywho, that is pretty much it for this look. I did go ahead and skip the filling process to make it faster, just to give y'all some content without having to take forever to edit it and get it out to you guys for Christmas, because yeah, you can see how I do fillings and stuff from my other videos. But anywho, let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, I'm trying to do 12 days of Christmas. I guess this is gonna kick us off because baby, we ain't got that much longer to go. I'm not even gonna say 12 days, I'm gonna say 12 sets for Christmas, because y'all, it's like, what's today is? Today is the 12th. Yeah, let that sink in. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all to the moon and back. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know anything you guys want to see in particular from me. But like I said, I'm going to try to be posting regularly for the next couple of days to get these Christmas looks out. But yeah, so y'all be safe. And as always, the end result will be at the end of the video. Bye.